To disable Talkback on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, I should note that I don't have a Talkback currently on. It's very hard to record a video with Talkback speaking over me all the time. So we're gonna do it without Talkback on, but I will show you how to disable it, don't worry. So first of all, you will need to click on settings. Now, if any of the options that I'm gonna open right here doesn't open for you with Talkback, sometimes you need to double tap quickly on the icons or buttons to actually make them work. And now go all the way down, click on additional settings or double click on it, then go to accessibility. Here select vision and Talkback. Now you can see this button right here. I'm going to turn on Talkback just to show you that we can actually disable it.
Finished reviewing. Allow Android. Allow.
Okay, so we need to click on this switch as I said.
Pop-up window. Turn Talkback off.
And we just turned it off. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.